This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I'm in the foyer of Unit 713, a studio, looking at a coat closet, but having my attention drawn immediately to a view out toward Grant Park, Chicago's front yard, and your front yard if you live at 820 South Michigan. It's an appealing studio. It's an L-shaped kitchen with good cabinet and counter space. It's a 4-burner electric range with a range hood, built-in dishwasher. There's a cabinet top microwave waiting to be installed. 42-inch upper cabinets for great storage. And a gooseneck designer faucet with a spray attachment. The bath has appealing finishes. There's a floating vanity with an undermount sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and a wide shower with a body spray attachment. 820 South Michigan has a lot of appeal to a budget-conscious renter who wants a great location where walk to everything has real meaning. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.